Good morning to all. Welcome to today's yoga session. Before practice, 9 times Om mantra, 3 times Gayatri mantra, 1 time Mahamrutyunjay mantra. Take deep inhale. Three times Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavitorvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavitorvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavitorvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. One time Mrutyunjay mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Relax. Rub your palms. Massage your eyes. Open your eyes. Relax. 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 Right foot up and down. Left foot up and down. Right foot clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise. Left foot clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise. Both foot clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise. Up and down. Toes up and down. Activate the calf muscles. Pull your kneecaps with breathing. Knees up and down. Loose and free. Relax. Left leg over right leg. Center inhale, sides exhale. Twist your abdomen. Relax. Both legs with gap in. Inhale up, exhale down chest, toes touching. Bend forward. Inhale, both hands up. Opposite. Inhale up, both hands interlock chin. Exhale, down, toes touching. Hold. Inhale, middle. Exhale, left. Inhale up. Exhale, right. Inhale up. Exhale, right. Inhale up. Back balloon. శ్వాస తీసుకుంటూ పైకి లేవు. Both legs, both hands should be straight. Inhale up, exhale down. Both hands to toes, పట్టి ఉంచండి. Forehead, floor touching. Charm your abdomen. Inhale up, relax. Grinding exercise. Both hands interlock chin. Rotate clockwise. Turn opposite. Relax. Go Namaskar. Upper body twisting. Relax. Single leg butterfly exercise. Relax. Left leg. Both legs, both feet together. Inhale, head up. Exhale, down, up, down, up, down and hold. Inhale up, relax. Shishupalasa with right leg. Stage 1. Relax, left leg Shishupalasa. Relax, leg lifting, right leg up and down. Massage your kneecaps. Up to forehead. Rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, up and down. Shishupalasa, stage 2. Relax, left leg up and down. Massage your kneecaps. Rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, up and down. Shishupalasa. Relax. Janu Shirshasana, advanced practice. Left thigh spine, right leg place tension. Inhale up, exhale down, up, down, up, down and hold. Inhale up, relax. Change your leg position. Same practice. Inhale up, exhale down, up, down, and hold. Inhale up, relax, both legs stretched. Paschimottanasana, up, down, down, and hold. Toes attention the forehead. Both kneecaps will be placed in. Inhale up, relax. Complementary asana, Purvottanasana. Lift your middle part. Relax. Sit in Sukhasana. Sitting Bhu Namaskar. Relax. Relax in Aram Sthiti. Slow and deep inhale. Deep inhale, stand up for warm-ups. Lungs expansion. Vertically up. Spot walking. Fingers open and close. Hands and legs up and down. Slow jogging. Speed up, legs rising. Up. Touch your buttocks. Forward bending, backward bending. Legs to the sides. Slow jogging. Relax, relax in Mukha Dhauti. Inhale from nostril, exhale to the mouth. Quick relaxation korku. Skipping, jumping, twisting, skipping clockwise. Opposite. Jump with claps. Twisting. Relax. Relax in Mukha Dhauti. Leg lifting 90 degrees. Opposite. Relax at 45 degrees, same side. Opposite. Sides 180. Opposite. Relax. Standing Pavanamuktasana. Hold. Relax. Activate the nervous system. Different angles. 90, 135, 180 on toes. Relax. Both hands stretching. Fingers open and close. Stretch your hands. Wrist rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. Palms up and down. To the sides. Elbow. Shoulders. Sciatica stretchings. Relax. Shaking of the hands up and down. Swinging. Relax. Hand raising one by one. Right hand clockwise rotation. Open your fingers, close your fingers. Anti-clockwise. Left hand clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise. Both hands clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise. Hands in and out. Hands back, interlock chain, up and down. shoulder rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. Cross your hands, move your shoulder joints. Opposite. Relax, massage your face, neck muscles. PP number 1. Once again, lungs expansion. Vertically up. Armpits, inhale up, exhale down. Elbow expansion, both hands interlock chin, head back side expanding. Lift your shoulders, rotate clockwise. Opposite. Upper lobe expansion, inhale, wide, exhale, close. Relax, massage your face, back neck muscles, PP number 2. Spondylitis korku head and neck together. Head up and down, inhale up, exhale down. Right and left. Head pushing with breathing. Left side, both sides. Head angular movement. 1, 2, 3 right shoulder, 4, 5, 6 middle, 7, 8, 9 left shoulder, 10, 11, 12. Same practice with left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Head clockwise, anti-clockwise rotation. Inhale half circle, exhale full circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head folding. Massage your face, neck muscles, PP number 3. Sciatica pains korku Ardha Kachakrasana. Right hand inhale up, stretch, stretch, bend to the left. Inhale up, exhale down. Left hand inhale up, stretch, bend to the right. Inhale up, exhale down. Both hands speed up. Relax, free your fingers. Urdhva Hastasana stretching, 90 degrees. 135, synchronize your breathing. 180 on toes. Center inhale, sides exhale. Stretch cheyali both hands. Elbows bend cheyakoodu. Stretch. Advanced practice. Relax. Cut Chakrasana. Toes paina twist chain body. Twist your abdomen. Back bending. 1, 2, 3 stages. 1, 2 half bending. 3 full bending. Activate thoracic gland. Relax. Hip rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. Once again, twist your abdomen. Relax. Half sit-ups. Hold chair pose. Relax. Full sit-ups. 10 count.
Relax. T rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. Ankle movement. Left leg. Leg stretchings. And hold. Relax. Vrikshasana. Left leg. Garudasana. Knee bending. 3 variations ఉంటాయి. Instructions follow on. Up and down. Kneecaps floor touching. Swing. Stretch. Stretch. Forehead. Right kneecap stretch out ఉంటుంది. Left leg stretch చేయండి. Relax. Change your leg. Up and down. Swing. Stretch. Relax. Veerabhadrasana, warrior pose. Stretch. Both hands up. Stretch. Roof whip. Opposite. Relax. Parshva Konasana. Opposite. Relax. Sit in Vajrasana for nostril cleaning. Close your right nostril, open your left nostril. Forceful గా exhalation చేయండి. Inhale automatic గా జరుగుతుంది. Close your left nostril with ring finger. Alternate nostrils. Close your right nostril. Chandra Anuloma Viloma. Inhale and exhale at a time. Close your left nostril. Surya Anuloma Viloma. Both nostrils. Relax. Sit straight. Bhastrika Pranayama. Slow, medium, fast round. Each round 20 or 25. Slow round. Inhale up. Exhale down. Relax. Medium round. Inhale up, exhale down. Relax. Fast round, high BP, low BP, heart problems ఉన్న వాళ్ళు స్లో రౌండ్ చేయండి, మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఫాస్ట్ రౌండ్ చేయండి. సడన్గా స్టాప్ చేయకుండా గ్రాడ్యువల్లీ డౌన్ చేయండి. రిలాక్స్. సిద్ధాసన్, సుఖాసన్, పద్మాసన్. ఎనీ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఆసనకు రండి. సిద్ధాసన్ ప్రిఫరబుల్. యాంకిల్ ఆన్ యాంకిల్ సిద్ధాసన్. అబ్డోమెన్ కపాలభాతి. బోత్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఇంటర్లాక్ చేయండి. నాభి దగ్గర ప్లేస్ చేయండి. డీప్ ఇన్హేల్, స్టమక్ ఇన్, బ్రీత్ అవుట్. Relax, both hands in Jnana Mudra. Same practice, stomach in, breathe out. Slow round. Medium round. Fast round, 120 strokes per minute. Relax. Agnisara pranayam. Deep inhale and exhale. 14 waves la kadistu undandi. Right and left, left and right. Move. Relax. Second round. Relax. నాడీ శోధన 5 రౌండ్స్ చేసి బ్రహ్మాంజలి పొజిషన్కి రండి. రౌండ్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఎడమ నాసిక ద్వారా శ్వాసను వదులుతూ బ్రహ్మాంజలి పొజిషన్కి రండి. రబ్ యువర్ palms, massage your eyes, eyeballs. సూర్య నమస్కారాల కొరకు లేచి నుంచోండి సూర్యునికి అభిముఖంగా.